We recognized early on that as we were hiring people and the people that we liked and that were a fit and that were coming in and doing well, they were all musicians. The connection between engineering and the creativity it takes to solve problems is the same creativity it takes to play music or make beautiful art.
If you think of things from a really strict engineering context, it's about, I know the rules, I know how to work. If you think about it from more of a creative context, it's, I know enough about the rules, but I'm not bound by the rules, and I can go play with them, and I can break them, and I can see what kind of cool things come out of doing things differently, but not so different that I'm not playing with context that's relevant to people, right? So creativity without any form or context doesn't tend to create value, but creativity within a structure tends to create a lot of innovation and ideas.
The entertainment industry is a business. You know, when you talk about showbiz, make no mistake about it, this is a business. We deal with intellectual property. We deal with the monetization of that intellectual property over time. Remember the business model. It's use other people's money to create intellectual property that you can monetize over time on known, predictable, and controllable distribution platforms. Okay, so where does the creativity come in? Well, the truth of the matter is this wonderful business is absolutely dependent upon the successful execution of creative ideas. And those creative ideas are born from a collaborative process that involves dozens, if not hundreds of people that are working either together in the same building or from points unknown around the planet in order to create this piece of art.
The symphony is a great metaphor for what our clients do, for a process that really works well. And why? I mean, a symphony is a large group of people, all coordinated to play something in harmony, in time with each other, and as a group effort to make some whole beautiful thing work.
The symphony itself is the structure and the form that's given to that creative idea. Following that, there's the execution. You know, it's great, you know, you'll say you take that in the technology world, there's an instantiation of a symphony, which is performed by the orchestra. And within that, each time that a symphony is performed, the orchestra, by really getting in and understanding the methods and the tools, transcend just the simple execution of the form and begin to actually enhance the creativity and the beauty of the symphony.
Our own clients, once you put version 1.0 in there, and they play that symphony, and they're working in that process, now they have a whole new awareness of the next level of improvements. And they're pros at it, so they come back and they start to ad lib and they start to change it and they start to suggest, you know, new ways it can be done even better.
It's hard for me to imagine any other industry that is quite like that. It's something that's truly unique about the entertainment business. And to Govind and Mike's point about the symphony all playing together at the same time, doesn't that sound like a television crew? Doesn't that sound like a motion picture crew? Doesn't that sound like the distribution folks working well with the post-production folks, working well with the marketing folks to make sure that something is brought, this piece of entertainment is brought to market?
You need people to be coordinated. That's thus the symphony. The orchestra is a group of people that are like perfectly coordinated, and that's what makes it so awesome.